Hi everyone, today I'm here to share my understanding on states of matter. There are three states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Now let us check this toy giraffe can be compressed or not. I'm pressing it. Nothing is happening to it. So this solid toy giraffe cannot be compressed. And now let's check, does solids have a fixed shape or not? Now I'm just compressing it or bending it or keep it on a different surface or keep it on my book or keep it on my head or keep it on my shoulder. Nothing is happening to it. It is the same shape it was before. So these solids have a fixed shape. Now let's check, does solids have a fixed volume or not? Now I'm going to keep this solid on my hand. It is having this much volume, and when I hold it, it is having the same volume. Now let us see, can liquids be compressed or not? Now let's check. Are you thinking I'm compressing the water inside it or I'm compressing the bottle? No, I'm actually compressing the air inside this bottle. So liquids cannot be compressed. Coming to, can liquids have a fixed volume or not? Liquids have a fixed volume but doesn't have a fixed shape. Now let's check this liquids. How does liquids have a fixed volume? Now it is a half liter of a bottle and this is a full liter of bottle. Now this half liter of bottle, what I'm gonna pour it in? A liter of bottle. Now the water, I'm not adding any water or removing any water. The water volume, the water was same. So the water volume also would be same. It is the half liter. So liquids also have a fixed volume. Now let's check the shape. Does liquids have a fixed shape or not? I think you have noticed. When the water was there in this water bottle, lanky water bottle, the water was full and they were in a different shape. When I poured it into a liter water bottle, the water shape was different. So liquids doesn't have a fixed shape. Now let's go through gases. Does gases can be compressed or not? Let's check it out. Now this is a balloon. I'm compressing the air inside this balloon. So gases can be compressed, and there is another example for this. Even I am compressing this water bottle. So gases can be compressed. Now let's check, gases have a fixed volume or not. Gases doesn't have a fixed volume because if I open and put it in this bottle and if I close it, and the volume of this gas is the shape of this bottle. If I put this air in a larger container, the gas would be the shape of this bottle only. So gases doesn't have a fixed volume. Now let's check, this gas has a fixed shape or not, or doesn't have a fixed shape. Let us check it out. Now this water bottle I have. Now in this water bottle I'm gonna put this air in this water bottle. And then I'm gonna close it. The shape of the gas is this one. This bottle shape. So hope you understood what is states of matter. Now let's learn about conversion of states of matter. The conversion of states of matter looks like this. This is solids, liquids and gas. When solids converts into gas, it is called sublimation. When solids converts into gas, it is called sublimation. Do you know how sublimation, do you know the example for sublimation? It is dry ice. Dry ice directly melts into gas instead melting into water and melting into gas. It directly melts into gas. Now let's see when gas converts into ice cubes, means solid. It is called deposition. Do you know how deposition works? It is because you can see the clouds, right? So clouds are made up of water vapor. Water vapor is a gas, and when water vapor turns into cloud, the cloud is a solid. So water vapor turns into solid. So that is called deposition. When ice is converted into liquids, means water, it is known as melting. As a real life example, it is when glacier is there. When a glacier melts, when glacier melts, the water will form. So glacier is a solid and water is a liquid. So solid to liquid, it is called melting. And liquid to solid, it is because of the freezing. It is because of freezing. So that is called solidification. When water turns into gas, when liquid turns into gas, it is known as evaporation. If you noticed, when any parent has burned hot water, you can see some water vapor coming out from that bowl. So that water vapor is known as gas. So it is called evaporation. And gas to liquids, it is called condensation. It is because of at the early in the morning we can see fog at the air, right? So after fog has been gone, on the leaves we can see tiny droplets. Yes, right? You can also do this at home, like when you go to any villages. In the fog, after fog has been gone, you can just check out. There will be small droplets, right? That is known as liquids. So because of that fog, the droplets are formed. So that's called condensation. Hope you understood what are states of matter and conversion of states of matter. Bye bye.